Hey, like I said, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use the voice typing feature that's available on both Google Docs and also Google Slides. So the first thing we want to do is come up to Google Drive and go to New. As I mentioned, you can use Google Docs or Google Slides. It doesn't work on Sheets yet, but I'm going to use Google Docs for this example. Once you have the new document open, you're going to come up in the top in the toolbar where it says Tools, and then you'll see about the seventh choice down is the one that says Voice Typing. And you may need to enable your microphone on your Chromebook to let this work. So I'm going to click on that. And you see that we've got the gray microphone that pops up on the left-hand side of the screen. And if I click on it, it'll turn red, and that means that then I can speak, and it'll turn what I'm saying directly into text on the screen. So let's try this out. So hey, I'm going to be recording this interview today. And my first question is, what is your name? And for the first sample, I recorded in English. But let's say that you're interviewing somebody who is going to be interviewed in a different language than that. If you click up on the carrots up here, you can change the language. And there's lots of choices for language. There's different varieties of Spanish, and also different varieties of English as well. So let's say today I'm going to be interviewing somebody who is from Mexico. So then I could switch it there. And then similar to what we did with the little sample in English there, you can click on the microphone and turn it red, and then it'll record in a different language. So let's test this out here. Me llamo Dr. Johnson. I just finished. And the next step after you record is you want to go back and look at the transcript or what the words say to make sure that they match up with what the person actually said. So it looks like in my line of English it did okay. So hey, I'm going to be recording this interview today, and my first question is, what is your name? So I'm going to add a question mark there because it didn't pick up the punctuation. And then the second line here is a line that I recorded in Spanish. I recorded what I said as Me llamo Justin Johnson. And Justin's not my name. I'm actually Dr. Johnson. So I'm going to go ahead and make that change. But do remember that you'll need to take a little bit of time after you record your interview to go back and look it over, and in some cases correct it so it matches up with what was actually said. That's a little bit about how you can use the voice typing feature that works both on Google Docs and also on Google Slides.